this had stood out, and of course, Connie Chung of ABC News 2020 had gone to visit there in the year 2000. This was original on television. You could see the actual pictures for yourself. But the HA revolution has come here, Pat. And of course, we've had 3 years of use of HA, but we could lose people in the science. So they want to know, what's real? Is this for real? Well, it's real for Tom, who writes to us, a pharmacist now from Santa Cruz, California, 70 years of age, participating in the Hawaii Ironman contest in Kona, Hawaii, this past year. 70 years old. He said this new HA formula for the joints did a great job. Now, certainly a pharmacist would know. Here's John writing to me and saying, you know, at age 55, boy, when I tried HA, I'm now back to playing full-court basketball with the 20-year-olds, and I've even begun to jog again. These are the kinds of reports that we hear.
Let me ask you a question here. You mentioned glucosamine, and there's another one out there that's pretty popular, MSM. How does this HA stack up against those other ones? The other ones, you have to take them for a while before you even see any results.
You do, and most of these are very positive dietary supplements. They certainly have lots of benefits. Glucosamine takes quite a while to kick in. MSM is a wonderful sulfur compound, and again, it's an anti-inflammatory, as are many things like fish oil. So these are all wonderful, but they're not dealing with the origin of the problem. The origin of the problem is the loss of cushioning in the joint, and if we can just replace it, if we can find a way to get that cushioning back, that's what we call youthfulness. That's what we had when we were young. Here's David writing to me from New York, 25 years, looking for something that would help support his lower back. And of course, he said, I can't believe it now. He says, I can't thank you enough for this product. People have tried all the alternatives. They've searched everywhere else, Pat, and they haven't heard of hyaluronic acid.
Now, the reorder rates on HA sort of tell me that things are phenomenal. The product works, the study shows how, but what are the customers saying? What are they telling you candidly? What are they saying to Bill Sardi?
If the horses come back to the trough, there must be good water there. It's amazing to me how people say, just keep sending this. It's wonderful. It changed my life. Here's Lorraine saying, I can't believe it, but I'm able to run. I love it. Run 5 miles a day. My skin, nails, they're great. Telling everybody about it. These are online. You can go see some of these comments. Purity Products has it online, where people just log in and tell you. These aren't edited in any way. Here's Brent writing, says, no one at Purity Products made an outlandish claim about HA joint formula, but 3 days after I started taking it, I noticed the difference. This stuff really works. It's your own personal discovery. That's why Purity Products wants you to have this bottle. You call. Nobody's going to hound you. You call that number, they're going to send you a bottle, a full month's supply, and you can do it without any risk. You just kick in a few bucks, and you're going to experience this for yourself. Like the people who've written in and said all these wonderful things. Here's Harold, 85th year, he says, I'm in. It says, I'm doing very well on HA. Thank you very much. Here's Jasmine saying, my face looks moist and useful, and I'm getting people asking me about it. What am I taking? Of course you will.
Okay, let me do this quickly as I want to get back to the show. Here's the special offer from Purity Products that Bill's talking about. It's a $5 trial bottle of Purity's best-selling HA joint formula. By the way, this is the full-size bottle today. It's not some 3-day or 7-day sample. No way. It's a 30-day trial bottle for just $5. Plus, you also get free shipping. You gotta love that. This is Purity's Elite HA Joint Formula, which powerfully supports your joints, your cartilage, your skin, and connective tissues. Claim your trial bottle of HA Joint for just $5 plus free shipping today. And with auto ship, you don't have to worry about missing a day, and you can cancel anytime. No risk, no fuss. Experience the miracle of hyaluronic acid for yourself and see why hundreds of thousands of people are switching to Purity's HA Joint Formula. Claim your $5 trial now as these move fast. Dial 1-800-500-8490. That number again, 1-800-500-8490. Again, call now, 1-800-500-8490. Bill, let's talk a minute about how this is available. Is this a tablet, a capsule? How's it taken? Do you take it with food? How much do I need to take every day?
It's a capsule. You take 3 a day. You can take 6 a day the first month just to double up and get this thing really going. It's easy to take. If you're kind of concerned about it and you're a little timid, you only want to get your toe in the water, fine. Take one or spread them out. Take 3 a day and spread them out through the day. This is what we're finding is the areas of the body, the eyes, the hair, the skin, and particularly the joints. It's been said we're all living longer and we're all going to have joint problems just due to wear and tear. So for your standard person who has wear and tear, this is the kind of thing they need for joint support. It's not a drug. It's a dietary supplement. It's available from Purity Products at no risk. Money back offer. Well, there is no risk today. Purity Products wants you to get this new HA joint formula risk-free, and you're going to get this new HA joint formula with this new hydrox molecule from the olives, the stabilizing antioxidant, along with the HA. It works wonders. I don't know how I can convince your audience of this, Pat, but to read these wonderful letters, tell them that this works. It worked for my dog. It's worked for my mother-in-law. It worked for my brother. These are real stories from real people who tell us that it worked for them. And I know people want to know there's good science behind it. I went all over the world. I went to Japan. I called researchers in laboratories all over the world to write a whole book, get hundreds of references before we began to realize even that HA was safe to use, effective. It's really a wonderful dietary supplement. You haven't heard about it yet, but you will. It'll be on the front page of Time magazine in due time. In the meantime, what about you? Purity Product wants you to get this new HA joint formula risk-free, and you can get a bottle of this new wonderful HA joint formula.
Bill Sardi, my guest. There's an incredible $5 trial offer today on Purity's HA joint formula. This is Purity's elite next generation HA formula, enhanced to powerfully support your joints, cartilage, skin, and connective tissue. Here's the deal. Simply claim your $5 trial bottle and also get free shipping today. Purity Products is celebrating over 25 years in business. They'll rush you a 1-month trial bottle of their revolutionary HA joint formula so you can experience the miracle of hyaluronic acid for yourself. There's no obligation, and with auto ship, you don't have to worry about missing a day. See why hundreds of thousands of people are switching to HA. Call them now and claim your $5 trial bottle with free shipping. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Just call them today at 1-800-500-8490. That number again, 1-800-500-8490. One more time, 1-800-500-8490. Call now. Bill, let's talk about some of the visible signs of aging and how this HA formula from Purity Products addresses these signs.
Well, certainly when we look in the mirror, when we see, well, let's say we're twin brothers, if we're looking, one of us ages faster than the other, how do we know that? And we're looking at our hair, we're looking at our skin, how smooth it is. You're losing HA. That's all the risk formula.
Oh, what? Oh, damn. I'm here. Damn.
investigate.